This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. Equipment that can quickly warn you in emergency situations is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency such as a tornado warning, hurricane, or flash flood situation, official messages would have followed the alert tone. Yay, that's right. To any people who thought a tornado was about to eat their soul, you can get out of the closet, take off your helmet, and go outside and enjoy Easter. Go hop with your bunny boys or bunny girlfriends into the sunset. Or maybe you'll get eggs from the Easter bunny, who the hell knows. I'm not your mirror on the wall, but otherwise, this test is now concluded.